Hi everybody, thanks for watching this video. My name is Anne and I am the Teen Services Librarian at Richland Community Library. This video will show you some instructions for making the 3 different Harry Potter crafts. Hopefully you have picked up your craft kit from the library. If not, please contact the library to reserve your kit today. In this video, you'll learn how to make a spellbook journal, DIY magic wand, and an Expecto Patronum bath bomb. I hope you enjoy making your crafts. These crafts were made possible because the Richland Community Library received a Public Library Services grant through the Institute of Museum and Library Services. So I am going to start off by showing you what is in the craft kit that you guys got. There's lots of stuff in here for you. So first, let's start off with, we got the instructions, all 3 crafts. We have notebook, 2 chopsticks, one that already has hot glue on it and one that's plain, a sheet of paper that has spellbook on it, some acrylic paint, Epsom salt, citric acid, baking soda, cornstarch. We got some colored powder, a thing of Mod Podge, bath bomb mold, some coconut oil, two foam brushes, a hot glue stick, and edible stars. Okay, so the next craft we're going to do is the spellbook journal. So the supplies that you'll need at home are some tape, a pencil, and a Sharpie or metallic pen. And then I have supplied with you the spellbook, piece of paper, composition book, paint, a foam brush, and the Mod Podge. So the first set of the instructions say, tape the printed page with the word spellbook on it to the front cover of your composition book. And you're going to trace over the words spellbook hard with a pencil. So you're trying to make an indentation on your composition book so it looks like the words are stamped on. Now we are going to open up the composition book and lay it flat. Let's see, I can feel it. The indentation there. Lay it flat. Paint the outside cover of your foam brush with your foam brush with the acrylic paint. Once the book is completely painted, let it dry thoroughly about 1 to 2 hours. So you can mix up your colors maybe. I think I might do maybe like a green. So I'm going to do some yellow. I'm just gonna put it right in the lid. That's probably good. And then blue. Mix it all together. That's fun. And then maybe it could be like good swirlier colors, you know? So many options. Okay, and just start painting the cover. Okay, and then just dried the first coat with a hairdryer. Now it's ready for a second coat. Okay, the paint has dried. So now I'm going to use a Sharpie to trace the indented letters and color them in and let them dry. Does not have to be perfect, that's for sure. Use your marker to add a couple stripes to the spine of your book. So we can do like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just trying to be like an old spell book, so imperfections are welcome for sure. Maybe some down here. Use your marker to add a swirl about the same size as your title with the front cover underneath the book. The writing title. And then optional part is you can use a crayon or pencil and kind of rough up the edges of the book. Give it that bold look. Okay. So the next step is the Mod Podge. Now that you've gotten what your book you want it to look like, so you're going to use a Mod Podge to finalize it and make everything seal it in. Make sure you either use another foam brush from the other kits or wash your foam brush. But I have an extra one, so I'm going to get this started. I'm just going to paint over the whole cover. Finished product. It has a little bit to dry, but you can see that it looks pretty cool. Okay, so let's start on the Harry Potter ones. So for this craft, you are going to need 2 cups. If you have a hot glue gun. If you want to put like beads, glitter, or sequins onto your wand, you're more than welcome. I also have chopstick that I've already done with hot glue on it, and I also have a plain one. So if you guys wanted to do your own design on the handle, you're more than welcome to do that. And then we have a foam paintbrush, paint, Mod Podge. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by taking your brush and painting it the color of your choice. So I gave you 3 different colors. So I have the blue, the red, and the yellow. So primary colors. So if you wanted to mix them together, you're more than welcome to do that. But I think I'm just gonna do a blue wand. And just start painting. use the 2 cups to let it dry. There we go. It's going to take about 4 to 5 hours to dry the paint, or you can use a hairdryer to let it paint even faster. Okay, so here's the wand, all dried. And now I'm going to take my Mod Podge, put it on there. This is going to seal in the paint. And just brush it on. That's good. I hope when it's dry, you guys enjoy your Harry Potter wand. Okay, so let's go over the Expecto Patronum bath bomb. Here are the instructions. And I have all of our ingredients laid out. And I have 3/4 teaspoon water in here. I found a small little animal figurine for our Patronus. And I have 2 bowls. And I'm not going to add any essential oil because the Epsom salt is pretty lavender smelly. So I just have the coconut oil here that I've actually just melted it by holding it in my hand. So that's all ready to go. And then we have the baking soda, 1 cup baking soda, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of citric acid, and 1/2 cup of Epsom salt. And I have the colorings here that we're going to use, and the bath bomb molds, and the edible starts. So here we go. First step is to combine all the wet ingredients in a bowl. So here's the water. The essential oil if you want to add more, but I'm not going to do that today. All right, and now I'm going to combine the dry ingredients into another bowl. There's the baking. And you're going to want to mix that up. You can just use your hand, or if you have a spoon nearby, you can use a spoon if you want. But hand should be just fine. Okay, smells like lavender. Okay, so now we're going to slowly add the wet ingredients. So I'm going to divide this in half. So I'm going to put 1/2 back into this bowl. Okay, so let's add some colorings to each bowl. Get it open. So I'm going to do a little bit of blue in this one, a little bit of blue in that one, and then all purple maybe in this one. And get some color out. And pink into this one. Now this recipe is actually going to create about 4 large bath bombs. So you can do your colors, do your mold, let it dry, and then do another one when you're done. Some blue, this color, blue and purple. Okay. So I'm going to take my 1/2 of my mold and then put a small amount of these little edible stars in there, right at the bottom. Figurine in there. More. So I'm adding blue. And then pack it in there. Together. You can see the stars in there. Okay, let that dry for a minute.